Hey everyone, it's Cubicle Pro. Let's talk about magnets. Installing magnet has now become a major need in modern speed cubes, and it has changed the whole cubing experience of modern speed cubers. Magnet in the cube was first forwarded by Chris Tran of Cubicle Labs. Also, he did some more innovative things in cubing, but his magnet installment became a hit, and looking its success, various top cubes brand released speed cubes with pre-installed magnets from factory. Although you may know installing magnet increases stability in cube, but over that it also reduces the problem of deforming the structure during solve and also helps to prevent overshooting during solves. Even though magnets are good to install, but it makes the cube little bit slow and also make it heavier than earlier, and it also cost more than the original cube if you get the stock version. And doing DIY you may mess up the things, so you should see a good tutorial before doing it, like the tutorials of DM cubing. I think magnets are for those cubers who do else at a super fast speed and are mainly sub 15 to 20, and also for rough turning style cubers. But if you are a calm cuber with sub 30 around, I don't think that you will need a magnetic cube. So that's all about magnets, and if you have more questions, be sure to ask them in the comment section. Bye.